So, have you ever been on the hunt for a natural way to boost your oral health? You've probably come across clove oil. But what is it about this stuff that makes it so powerful? Well, today, we're going to dive into the science behind this ancient remedy and figure out how it can help you get a healthier smile. We've all been there, right? That throbbing, relentless toothache, or that nagging feeling that your breath just isn't fresh. It can totally ruin your day. But what if the answer wasn't some high-tech formula, but a secret that's been hiding in plain sight for centuries? And that's exactly where clove oil comes in. This isn't some new fad. It's a tried and true remedy that connects ancient wisdom with our modern search for better oral care. So let's get into what makes it work, starting with its most famous trick. First up, and this is probably what it's most known for, is its incredible ability to relieve pain. When a toothache hits, you want relief and you want it now. Well, clove oil is famous for its super fast action, and there's a really cool scientific reason for that. See, the secret weapon hidden inside clove oil is a compound called Eugenol. Just think of it as nature's very own anesthetic. It actually works by blocking the nerve signals that are screaming pain to your brain. This gives you that immediate, targeted relief that can be an absolute game changer while you're waiting for that dentist appointment. And applying it? It couldn't be easier. You just want to be precise. A direct hit on the source of the pain is the key to getting that quick, effective relief. But here's the thing, clove oil does way more than just numb the pain. It actually goes after the root cause of a lot of dental issues. It's a serious bacteria buster, targeting those little microbes that cause everything from infections to bad breath. So many of our oral health problems, bad breath, sores, you name it, they all start with bad bacteria. Instead of just masking the symptoms, clove oil's antimicrobiotic properties basically go on the attack, actively fighting and wiping out these bacteria right at the source. And here's a super simple way to use that power. Make your own mouthwash. Seriously, just a few drops in a glass of water and you've got a potent rinse that doesn't just freshen your breath. It actually helps reduce the amount of bacteria in your whole mouth. Okay, so we've covered putting out fires, right? Dealing with pain and bacteria when they pop up. But clove oil is also fantastic for fire prevention. It can act as a guardian for one of the most important parts of your mouth, your gums. Healthy gums are the foundation for everything else. By calming down inflammation and killing the specific bacteria that can lead to things like gingivitis, using clove oil regularly helps you build stronger, healthier gums. You're stopping problems before they can even get started. A really easy way to do this is to just gently massage your gums with some diluted clove oil. This gets all those protective goodies right to your gum line and also helps get the blood flowing, which is great for your overall gum health. Now, with all these amazing benefits, I know it's tempting to just go for it, but hold on. There is one golden rule you absolutely, positively have to follow, and that's all about safety. And let me be perfectly clear on this. This is non-negotiable. You should never use pure, undiluted clove oil directly. This stuff is incredibly strong and can cause some serious irritation. The key is to always, always dilute it. Just remember that old saying, a little goes a long way. With clove oil, it's literally true. 1 or 2 drops, diluted properly, is all you need to get all the benefits without any of the risks. So what's the best way to dilute it? With a carrier oil. And I bet you already have one in your kitchen. Things like coconut oil or olive oil are perfect for this. A good rule of thumb is just 1 or 2 drops of clove oil per teaspoon of your carrier oil. Simple as that. So when you add it all up, from instant pain relief to fighting off bacteria to protecting your gums for the long haul, clove oil really is an amazing, versatile little sidekick for your oral health. It's just a fantastic, natural tool for keeping that smile healthy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your go-to natural remedies? Drop them in the comments below. I'm really curious to know. And hey, if you found this helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next explainer. It really makes you think, doesn't it? In our world full of modern chemistry, maybe one of the best secrets to a healthier smile isn't a new invention at all, but a powerful, natural solution that's been right here the whole time,